Hello there, je m'appelle Lee et aujourd'hui est le deuxième jeu de la saison Cyclone 2014 dans la Pacifique Sud, par ici. C'est ouais, et il n'y a rien en ce moment. Ouais, c'est tout en français. Is that how they say it? That's it in French. So yes, this is day 2 of the South Pacific cyclone season, but nothing going on at the moment. Pero in other parts, in otras partes, I don't know how they say that. Entonces hablamos en español sobre el tema de esta depresión tropical o 18E. Y se prevé que esta depresión tropical será la futura tormenta tropical Sonia. Sí, Sonia es el siguiente nombre de la tormenta tropical en el Pacífico Occidental o algo así. Según el NHC, no hay ninguna peligro afectando tierra, pero según el SMN, hay o tiene la posibilidad de lluvias fuertes y muy fuertes y oleaje de 2 a 3 metros de altura. Sí, y más. Y esta depresión podría ser la futura Sonia. Sí, es la verdad. Y por aquí, en el noroeste pacífico hay dos cosas, una zona de probabilidad, pero es una zona de baja, y este tifón Krosa, se está moviendo hacia aquí. Y por este es Krosa, tiene un grande ojo, no sé. Y en Hong Kong tiene un aviso de número uno o algo así. Y en China tiene un aviso de amarillo. Y en Vietnam tiene un aviso de tifón en el momento. Sí, es la verdad. Se está moviendo por aquí. Sí. Y es todo en español para hoy. Es por. Wait, I need to find that out. I still have not figured out por and para. Luckily, French mostly has P-O-U-R. Por. Right. So over here we've got this thing, this depression, tropical depression. My brain is just not working very well today. Tropical depression 18 over here that they're predicting will become a tropical storm. So if that does occur, it will be Tropical Storm Sonia. That's the next name. And NHC isn't saying that there's any land hazards, but if you go read the SAMN advisory, you can find out about the possibility of strong to very strong rains and wave heights of 2 to 3 meters. Righto. So that thing expected to make landfall, and as of now, they're predicting that it will be a tropical storm as of landfall. So yes, what is the satellite on this thing? Where? I can never think of. There we go. East Pacific. I don't know why. I can never figure out what is it? Basin. Basin? Is that the word that I'm looking at? Right. Over in the Northwest Pacific, speaking of basins, let's turn on this one. So there's this Typhoon Krosa, who is amazingly, if you look at the satellite loop, just for as huge of an eye as that thing appears to have, it's actually not really affecting. Well, look, the clouds, at least, are not over land at the moment. I'm sure it's causing some dangerous surf conditions and such. In Hong Kong, they've got, signal number 1 in force. The thing that was in effect in Pagasa, it's moved far enough away, there's no warning there. China, they've got a yellow warning of typhoon. And then, not surprisingly, in Vietnam, where it's expected to make landfall at some point, they have a typhoon warning as well going on at the moment. And yes, did we talk about the zone of probability? Is it over here? Let's turn that off. There we go. Low chance of tropical cyclone formation on this area over here, as per the JTWC. So that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. Yes, in the land of US severe thunderstorm weather, there were things happening previously, as evidenced by all of these storm reports. That's all winds of somewhere in the range of 58 miles per hour and greater. Sometimes they actually talk about, there you go, there's some actual wind speeds. But that stuff has apparently all moved offshore. So this is what threat still remains. 5% chance At 58 mile per hour and greater winds, hail not a threat. 2% chance along the coastline here. And frankly, since no watch is in effect, it's possible. Well, I don't know. It's possible that this threat is already kind of weakening and dissipating and whatnot. So, yes. So, and then predicted to be green for the days after that, which would be like tomorrow. Totally green. Yeehaw. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And I'm going to have to practice my French because I can't get a sentence out and then my brain is just all meshed up. Meshed up? Is that a word? Probably not. It's probably not a word in any language. That's right. And that is it for today. See? Where? Yes. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.